हेलो गाइज, हम आ गए हैं आज ऋषिकेश। और ये देखो ऋषिकेश का कितना बेहतरीन सीन है। वाह, ये राम झूला है सामने और ये हमारे साथ हैं। मेरे सामने मेरी दुनिया सब कुछ। नहीं नहीं, इन्हें खिला। आपको खानी है शिवास? खानी है आपको? ओ जी, खिला दो। अच्छा, खानी आइसक्रीम? आज शिवास के लिए समर आ गया भाई। शिवास पीछे पीछे। Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, pull it from the window, babe. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stand there and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. My work, I turned it around. I'm burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on a sun ray. You know we can pull it from the window, babe. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? Go by. शिवास को लगी भूख और शिवास आया पनीर। शिवास walk in the door. What's one more It's sleeping on a Sunday when nobody's waiting on a call. And if we want a sunray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. Could save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world turn on Sunday when nobody's waiting on a call? And if we want a sunray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. Can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go?